Ever wondered what it takes to bring the world's priciest and toughest nut to your table? Macadamia nuts are famously expensive, with shells so hard they can rival concrete. These prized seeds take a full 5 years to mature, protected all that time by their super strong shell. So, how exactly are the world's hardest and most expensive nuts harvested and processed? Join us as we tour a macadamia factory to find out how these morsels are cracked open on an industrial scale. Macadamias are known for their steep price tag because of their unique taste and challenging growing process. The price varies depending on the region and quality, but macadamias are widely recognized as one of the most expensive on the market. This cost is due to the slow growth cycle and the labor-intensive harvesting and cultivation processes involved. In the wild, only the powerful beak of a parrot can break open these seeds. Farmers need patience, advanced techniques, and heavy machinery to do the same. Macadamias are cherished for their delicate flavor and creamy texture, which is also part of why they fetch such a high price. Native to Australia, these seeds have been cultivated for thousands of years and were traditionally eaten by Aboriginal communities. Despite their ancient roots, macadamia's origins remain somewhat of a mystery. It takes a crushing 2,068 kilopascals of pressure to break open the shell. That's why macadamias are some of the hardest to crack without professional equipment. These seeds are also highly valued in gourmet kitchens worldwide, where they're celebrated for their smooth and rich taste. The journey of a macadamia nut begins in the fields, like this one in South Africa, where macadamias have become a major crop. These precious fruits take 5 years to grow before yielding their first crop. Combined with their high water requirements and sensitivity to climate conditions, these factors significantly contribute to their high cost. In this South African field, the trees are around 20 years old and at peak production. The autumn harvest brings more than 4,000 workers to the fields over the next 5 months. Each macadamia seed has a delicate kernel encased in 2 layers of protection, an extremely hard shell and a softer outer husk. Farmers closely monitor the development of the fruit to determine the ideal harvest time. They watch for the size, color, and texture of the shells, testing to ensure they're ready to be gathered. Harvest timing is critical. The husk of the macadamia nut naturally splits open only when it is fully mature, signaling it is ready to drop from the tree at peak ripeness. The harvesters wait patiently for the fruit to drop before collecting them. Modern machinery plays a crucial role in the harvest, including specialized tree-shaking machines that gently vibrate the trees, causing the ripe fruits to fall to the ground. Workers then gather them by hand, a tough and demanding task where each worker can collect up to 700 kilograms of fruit in a single day. This careful process is essential to ensure that these valuable macadamias reach the market in peak condition. Handling the macadamias delicately is key to avoid any damage and to maintain their quality throughout the harvest. Speed is also critical. Once harvested, they must be processed within 24 hours, as the green husk can quickly degrade the quality of the kernel inside. For this reason, they're brought straight to the plantation's cleaning area to avoid any spoilage. After collection, they are swiftly transported to the processing facility to prevent further deterioration. A thorough cleaning is the first step, removing any dirt or impurities. Advanced washing and brushing systems ensure the nuts are spotless and uncontaminated, ready for the next phase. Once husked, they go into a receiving area within the processing plant. Here, a specialized machine separates any remaining debris, like stones or twigs, and places the cleaned ones onto a conveyor belt to continue their journey. This careful process guarantees that macadamias retain their quality and purity every step of the way. At this point, the nuts still have the potential to germinate, which could be problematic for commercial production. The moisture inside the nuts can cause them to sprout, turning them brown and giving them a bitter taste, not ideal for culinary use. To prevent this, they are dried at around 25 degrees Celsius, reducing the moisture content to prevent germination. Once fully dried, they're ready for storage. During the harvest season, trucks unload up to 200 tons of macadamias daily at the processing plant. They are stored in massive containers, but aren't quite ready to be shelled just yet. Despite the incredibly tough exterior shell, the kernel inside is delicate and requires careful handling. So how do we crack open this shell without damaging the kernel inside? Macadamia nuts are known to be among the hardest to open, and simply hitting them with a hammer could easily damage the kernel. Since the shell and kernel are so tightly bound, they need further drying before they can be safely shelled. This second drying process takes around 10 days at 35 degrees Celsius, which removes almost all moisture, causing the kernel to shrink and pull away from the shell. To check if they are ready, a simple shake test is used. If the kernel rattles inside, it indicates that the drying has separated it enough from the shell to proceed with cracking. In the factory, specialized machines equipped with tungsten carbide blades apply precise pressure to crack open the shells without crushing the kernels inside. After this, another machine separates the kernel from the broken shell. The shelled kernels pass over a series of vibrating screens and filters, each with gradually larger holes, allowing the whole kernels to fall through while leaving the shell behind. During the sorting process, fragments of shell and any broken pieces of kernels are separated. While broken kernels may not be suitable for direct sale, they are still valuable for use in baking, snacks, and cereal bars, where their rich flavor and creamy texture are desirable. The machinery used for this stage also features optical color sensors that efficiently distinguish between the brown shells and the white kernels. Even the shells have a commercial purpose. High in energy, they are often repurposed as fuel for the plant's drying boiler. By using these shell remnants to keep the boiler running, the facility can reduce waste and maximize the value of each harvested nut. To sort the macadamia kernels by quality, they travel along several conveyor belts. The most flavorful and valuable kernels are the mature ones, which contain a higher oil content. However, it's not easy to visually distinguish between mature and immature kernels since they look identical. To solve this problem, a flotation tank filled with salt water is used. Kernels with an oil content above 70% will float to the surface, where they are collected, while those that sink are separated on a different conveyor belt. These are sent for processing into macadamia butter, a prized ingredient in gourmet cooking. Following a washing and drying process, the best macadamia kernels are sent for further sorting. They pass through a set of vibrating filters, which classify them into 12 different groups, 4 for whole kernels and 8 for fragments. Before shipping, a quality control operator takes a sample from each batch to ensure it meets strict standards. The sample is inspected for insect damage, signs of germination, and any remaining shell fragments. Any kernels that don't meet quality standards are discarded at this stage, as insect damage or shell pieces can negatively impact the flavor and texture. Once the batch passes all quality checks, the kernels undergo a final drying process before being bagged and prepared for shipment. These macadamias play a key role in enhancing the flavor and texture of baked goods and other culinary creations. Although they take years to grow, the entire processing stage only takes a few hours. After packaging, they are loaded into shipping containers, each holding 18 tons, ready to embark on their journey across the ocean to stores around the world. Macadamia nuts are calorie-dense, packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. They support heart health by lowering bad cholesterol, thanks to their high content of monounsaturated fats. Like many other nuts, macadamias are rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids and tocotrienols, which help protect against cellular damage and disease. Additionally, they may reduce the risk of metabolic syndrome and help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Despite their high calorie content, macadamias can aid in weight loss by curbing hunger and promoting feelings of fullness. If you want to know how almond milk is made, watch the video on your screen, and please like the video if you enjoyed it and share it with someone who might be interested. Also, subscribe to this channel by activating the notifications to continue learning. Thanks for watching.